Introducing the Galaxy Ultrasonic Cleaner UC series. Designed for extended cleaning sessions, it is ideal for operations lasting up to 30 minutes. The ultrasonic cleaner delivers exceptional performance. The UC series offers a wide range of sizes from as small as 2 liters to a maximum of 30 liters, catering to various cleaning needs. Each ultrasonic cleaner comes with the main unit, a lid, a cleaning basket, and a power cord. Begin by connecting the power cord to the unit. Fill the tank with the appropriate cleaning solution, ensuring the water level is at least 1 inch below the rim. Galaxy Ultrasonic Cleaner can be used for a variety of applications. For example, dissolving solutes and solvents is an essential step in experiments. The ultrasonic cleaner uses ultrasonic waves. Beyond chemical processes, the UC series ultrasonic cleaner offers a safe and effective solution for cleaning circuit boards. It removes contaminants without damaging delicate components, ensuring the integrity of your equipment. The cleaner's versatility extends even further. It's ideal for cleaning tools. With its ultrasonic technology, UC series remove debris effectively, helping you maintain precision instruments and prolong their usability. To set the heating temperature, use the plus and minus keys. Press heating on/off to turn the heating on or off. Similarly, use the plus and minus keys to set the cleaning time. Once set, press ultrasonic on/off to start the cleaning process. Once the cleaning process is complete, carefully remove your sample from the cleaner. To ensure optimal performance, drain and clean the stainless steel tank after each use. Thank you for watching. For more details and to explore our full range of products, visit our YouTube channel or contact us directly.